Things are very wet out there, Ted.
Wet and a little icy. Now, thankfully, the pavement has been okay, and the roads that have been treated are in great shape. Temperatures are hovering around the freezing mark, but you see here evidence of what has been going on, what has been transpiring over the past 8 or 9 hours. We have fallen below freezing. We remain below freezing in much of the area. This is live now as we look toward the east. This is Austin with our Lewiston Auto camera. Big icicles, or at least they look big from this vantage point, looking to the east. And once we get back into sunshine, maybe next couple of days, we'll get a chance to melt some of that ice. There'll be a lot of dripping going on, I suspect, there with our camera there in the tower. But right now, there's that freezing rain mixture now moving out of Austin. Still Rochester dealing with cold rain and northwestern, a little bit of snow. Twin Cities down toward Mankato, Fairmont. These areas will see the greatest amount of snowfall coming up later on this afternoon and the evening. I'll see, in fact, winter storm warning headlines there. Possibility of up to 6 inches of snow just outside our area to the northwest. Our rainfall amounts from last night to this morning, quite a bit. This is through mid-morning. Latest data that has been coming in. Nora Springs, Iowa, 2.39 inches. Whitewater State Park, more than 1.75 inches. Austin, now officially 1.75 inches. All of that in the overnight hours. Rochester, 1.53 inches. A lot of rain. And here at the studio, 1.2 inches of rain has fallen. Temperatures right now 30s and holding steady. Rochester, cold rain and 31 right now. Austin 34, it's 36 in Charles City, a little warmer in Decorah. No headlines there for the freezing rain, at least they're staying above freezing in Decorah at 37. So freezing rain in Rochester 31. Winds have begun to pick up, and that's going to be a raw breeze that'll be with us for the rest of today and tonight. 23 gusting a little higher, and so it feels 18 outside. That's how it feels outside with that cold rain blowing in your face. Not pleasant at all. Certainly a far cry from the previous last 7 days where we've been incredibly warm. But snow and ice mixture today. Next round of rain will be mostly rain. A little snow may mix in on Thursday, and same deal on Saturday. Perhaps that even hangs over into Sunday now as well. But looking at that mixture pushing northeastward, backside of the system presents the possibility of snow. Cold air aloft coming in, and that will change the precipitation over as it arrives for the second half of the afternoon and evening. Winter weather advisory Rochester up to Wabasha, areas southward. Still, the weather service updating, but it's going to be a winter storm, or ice storm rather, for areas around Albert Lea and Owatonna until 6 o'clock, and then there's that winter storm warning to our north and west. That's where the possibility exists of up to 6 inches of snow. We will see a very minor coating compared to that. Light rain and freezing rain continue as we look at future tracks of the afternoon into the evening. Here's that snow, eventually just snow, that mixture becoming all snow, coming to an end around 9 o'clock. So we have rain, freezing rain until about 6 o'clock. Snow begins to mix in, and some minor slushy, icy accumulation for a few hours heading into the evening. Right now, looking at the possibility of Rochester, less than an inch of snow overall, but this is much heavier snow to our northwest. The possibility up to 6 inches there. But here's what we're expecting: less than an inch Rochester to Austin, an inch or two just northwestward, and farther to the north of Cannon Falls, 2 to 4 inches, and heavier snow than that toward the Twin Cities. A mixture of rain and then snow. Temperature steady around 32 for the afternoon, slowly dropping to around 23. So everything that's wet will be icy by tomorrow morning. Keep that in mind for your Wednesday morning commute. Then some sunshine helps us get back close to 40 later tomorrow. Here's that mixture. Then all snow on future track. High pressure comes in, brings us some chilly sunshine. Temperatures struggling to get to about 40 tomorrow. Next storm system comes in, will bring some clouds, and by midday and afternoon, that upcoming system on Thursday brings a chance of maybe just a little bit of wet snow and some sprinkles moving in for especially the second half of the day. And another system on Saturday brings rain with a little snow at first, and then maybe a couple of snowflakes on Sunday, but mostly a rain event with that system. And temperatures of the next several days, very typical for this time of the year, 30s to mid 40s. Today, though, colder than average by quite a bit, by far the coldest of the next several days. 32 in Rochester, Austin 34, nearly steady with that rain and freezing rain and snow with as much as an inch in a few spots of accumulation, but less than an inch here in Rochester. 23, some snow, then clearing skies late tonight with that raw west breeze. Tomorrow, a slight southwest breeze around 15 miles per hour. 40 the high, at least some sunshine for Veterans Day, and then we see those precipitation chances, at least 40s though for the weekend, and a quieter, sunnier pattern shaping up for most of next week right now.
It's good we'll have a better day for our veterans tomorrow.
Yes, much quieter.